Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the images and loading them into a single stack. Open Photoshop and use file scripts load files into stack, then choose your folder. Once done, check Attempt to automatically align source images only if shots vary in framing. This helps masks align. Make sure layers are ordered logically and visible. Next, convert the stack into a smart object if you plan to apply non-destructive edits to the group as one unit. Once your stack is a smart object, you can add global adjustment layers that affect every image inside. You apply levels or curves to fix exposure, then HSL to tweak color. These adjustments modify the smart object so all photos inherit them. Use blend modes and lower opacity to fine-tune intensity. If you need selective edits, apply a mask to the adjustment layer and paint where changes should or should not show. This keeps edits consistent while allowing local differences. To finish, export all edited files via render video for sequences or create layer comps and use file export layers to files for separate images. Make sure to save a PSD with the smart object intact so you can revise non-destructively later. If edits look off on some photos, unlink the smart object to tweak individual layers or disable a problematic adjustment layer. This resolves overcorrection. And if elements misalign, run auto-align layers or restack with consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.